Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and today is Pumpkin Palooza. Before I share with you all what I made, I want to thank each and every one of you who are participating in this open collab with me. So this is a $5 pumpkin themed DIY decor challenge that I opened up to anyone who would like to participate. I sure appreciate your time and effort. I can't wait to see what you have all made. Please be sure to check out the link below for the playlist. I'll be adding everyone's videos to it throughout the day. Now let's get right into what I made. I know I'm not alone when I tell you that I love fall. And for me, fall is all about the pumpkins. So I do have a pretty good collection going. My favorite are the twig, grapevine style, and they're so expensive. I decided to come up with a way to make my own for pennies on the dollar, and this is what I came up with. It was a lot of fun to make my own grapevine pumpkin, but it was also very messy. All I picked up for this project were 3 willow wreaths from the Dollar Tree. They don't have to be from the Dollar Tree, but if you're picking them up, make sure you get the thinnest style sticks available. Next, I threw mine into a pot of boiling water, yes, on the stove, and just let them sit for about an hour to soften. Now with my burner turned off and my lid in place, I got ready to work with my wreaths. Once they were softened by the hot water, it's time to gather your other tools. I used some needle nose pliers, some floral wire. I had some zip ties on hand, did not end up using them. Some floral covered wire, didn't use that, and twine. This was definitely a trial and error process, and you'll also want to have your hot glue gun ready. The first step is to unravel your willow wreath so that you can work with individual strands of the wreath. Now this was kind of fun actually, a little time consuming, very messy, so you may want to do this outside or maybe on a surface you don't mind getting dirty. Once you have your wreath all separated, you're going to work with individual strands to make miniature wreaths. We're just going to make little circles and a lot of them. I did use all 3 wreaths for this pumpkin. So I was trying to figure out how to get them connected in the center, and first I tried twine. Great in theory, but way too loose and did not work. So then I moved on to the idea of gluing them, and it just was too messy and not sturdy at all. So after trial and error, I figured out the floral wire is the way to go. You get a grouping of your mini wreaths together, tighten them in the center with the floral wire, and then attach it to your pumpkin. It's really sturdy and it makes it a whole lot easier to handle a few wreaths at a time. Once you have all of your mini wreaths connected in the center with your floral wire, you're going to want to make a stem. I used a few of my leftover sticks, wound them together with some floral wire, and used way too much glue. I kind of made a mess. I would definitely recommend using less glue than I did. I actually ended up going back in with some of my jute twine to kind of cover up the gluey globs that I created by putting way too much on that stem. And that's it. That's all there is to making your very own grapevine pumpkin, and it only cost me $3. Once I had my pumpkin all assembled, I decided to add a string of fairy lights from the Dollar Tree, and I really like the way it looks all lit up. You wouldn't have to necessarily use willow. You could find a wreath at any kind of craft store or Walmart. Take it apart and make your very own grapevine style pumpkin. I would recommend finding the thinnest twigs you can. I hope you guys enjoyed Pumpkin Palooza 2018. Please be sure to check out the playlist linked down below in the description to watch more great pumpkin DIYs for your fall decor. Thanks to everyone who participated in Pumpkin Palooza. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the fun new DIYs, and I'll see you back very soon in the next video.